Hello and welcome back to the channel, everybody. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today, well, we're going to talk about the 2022 Toyota Tundra. That's right, guys. Toyota decided to drop a quick little teaser saying yes, the new Tundra is coming, and it is all new for 2022, and we'll see more very soon. Now, they only showed us a quick little video. I'm going to take a few still images of it to show you guys. You really can't see much. You can kind of tell the front end looks a little bit more boxy, a little bit more aggressive, and the light pattern looks very interesting. They're probably showing us a TRD model, their most off-road ready package. Now, let's talk about some rumors real quick. There's been a lot of rumors because they've been working very hard on this for years and years now. Rumors are a twin turbocharged V6, something that can compete with the EcoBoost 3.5 liter from Ford. Probably, I'm pretty sure that this will probably be an actuality. Another rumor is that there will be a hybrid system. I guarantee you that, Toyota being one of the hybrid leaders in its class, yes, I guarantee you that not maybe when it comes out at launch, but at least in the first year or two of the new Tundra, there will be a hybrid system. I'm almost guaranteed of that. Other rumors that the V8s are going to die. I'm going to be real sad. This is probably going to be the case. I love those old Toyota engines, the old 4.7 and the 5.7. Great, super reliable engines. They just go and go forever and ever. It's going to be sad to see them go, but they are not fuel efficient at all. But like I said, they're really reliable engines. If you want to know more about the current Tundra, I actually made a full video on it. I'm a big fan of the old Tundra. I'll leave that video in the description down below for you guys. But this new Tundra, like I said, probably turbo engine, probably hybrid. We know they've been working on the whole suspension, the framework. They want to make it more durable, not only for longevity, because Toyotas are very reliable in that case, but to be something that can tow heavy numbers like the Fords, the Rams, and the Chevys are doing. It's never been a sales leader. Obviously, the big three, Ford, GM, and Ram, they've always been fighting for the 1, 2, 3 spot. Normally, Ford's leading that pack. And basically, Toyota and Nissan have always been, 4th and 5th place. Never really high numbers. But Toyota wants to change that. Another rumor is they might go for a coilover suspension. Now, Ram does that. It makes the ride a little bit better, more comfortable. I can see them doing that. That'd be kind of nice. And we have rumors that there's going to be a large and charged touchscreen inside, full of tech, full of luxury features. Now, I guarantee you that. You can see all the trucks now are getting super luxurious nowadays. And I guarantee you that Toyota's going to come, and they claim that this new Tundra is not only going to be as competitive as these competition, but maybe even lead them. So I wouldn't be surprised if they throw in like a 14-inch screen, because a lot of the competitors are having a 12-inch screen as a bigger one. Why not one up them a little bit? I guarantee you there'll be better materials. The current Tundra, it's pretty plasticky on the inside and stuff like that. But I really like how it looked. So this one, you can kind of tell in that silhouette, it looks a little bit more aggressive looking. And I really hope the TRD has way more off-road options and features. The regular TRD Pro, yeah, it's good. It can do some off-roading, but it's not going to compete anything with a Raptor or the T-Rex that Ram has. It's more like a Rebel competition, a Trail Boss. I would love for the TRX to be like an in-between those. More aggressive, more off-roady. Not really a Raptor or TRX, but better than a Trail Boss and a Rebel. That'd be pretty sweet. But I want to know what you guys think. What are you guys' predictions for this vehicle? Do you think they'll go for the twin turbocharged engine? Do you think they're going to go with the hybrid system? What are your thoughts and opinions? Please let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't already and you want to, please check out my channel. I keep trying to give you guys more and more content. I talk about cars, trucks, crossovers, and SUVs, combustion engines, and EVs, a little of everything. But please, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. And as always, I truly, truly appreciate you guys for watching. And I'll see you all in the next one.